How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech, and also to another kind of Q&A video, because this one is kind of only on one topic, but it's a question that a bunch of you have asked, and I'm just gonna answer it today, which is also the title. I kind of missed, I think, 1 or 2 weeks of Q&A videos. I said I'm gonna do it like every Sunday, a weekly thing, but sometimes that doesn't happen. I forget or I go away and then it doesn't happen. But anyway, I'm here today with the question of, am I hiring? Again, a lot of you guys have been asking me for like maybe internships, or am I hiring? If you can join the We Do Tech team, because currently it's We Do Tech, but it's still kind of just which is funny. But yeah, so at the moment, I'm not really in the position of hiring somebody, because kind of the funds are a bit tight, because YouTube isn't really promoting any of my videos. Just kind of an example, only 2% of my monthly views come from YouTube recommended. So that's where YouTube tells you here's something that you might like, or it's on the front page of YouTube. Only 2% of my monthly views, and my monthly views are like 500,000. So it's really not a lot. Everything else is through searches, so it takes a while for stuff to build up. So because of that, I don't really make that much to be able to afford to hire a person as well to do my reviews for me. And probably the biggest thing is my room, or the place where I live, is so damn small. So it's like what, a 4 by 4 meter area, my room, and then just like the kitchen, and then it's really really small. I think the entire, like, I don't know if you know what to call this, if it's actually an apartment, but it's like 35 square meters. So it's tiny, tiny, tiny. And I would like to go to a bigger house. Like, I can afford to go to a bigger house, to rent out like a house, and through that I can actually expand We Do Tech, and then kind of I'm in the position to hire somebody because I have space, but then I don't have the funds. So that's it's a bit difficult at the moment, but I do have some other plans that maybe you guys can join in. So currently, I do have a friend that is helping me out with some videos. So he's currently working on a review for me. We'll see how that goes. He doesn't have as much experience as well, so we'll see how that really goes. But so far, it doesn't look too bad. And through that, it can actually relieve some of the pressure of me, because I have just so many damn reviews, and a lot of times companies want it done in like 2 weeks, and it has to be done, and that's really, and the way I make my videos is very time consuming, because writing script, I have to play with the thing, with the peripherals or whatever first. It takes a lot of time, and editing, I freaking hate editing actually. So trying to get all of the reviews done and trying to have a life as well, which I currently don't really have, is a bit hard, but hopefully later on we can kind of expand that with the help of like my friend, and then maybe some of you guys. So my plan is kind of at the moment not to really hire an editor at the moment. Later on, I would like to, and it can even be like an offsite editor later on. So my plan at the moment is to expand the We Do Tech website more. Now, I haven't really posted a lot there. I should post more there, I know. But at the moment, I want to expand it a bit more, not only doing my like reviews on that. I want to expand it more into like tech tips, or tech news especially. I did do like the tech news videos, but it's a bit too much time consuming work for me to do that, and then also like the reviews, because again, it's so damn hectic. So if I can probably get some of you guys to help me out with that, maybe like 2 to 3 people, more is always welcome. But if I can get some of you guys to help me out with that, that would actually be really awesome. And then by getting more articles out there, the website can actually make some money off ads. We can probably get some paid promotion through that. Or at the moment, I might not be able to pay you guys, but if you guys help me out with that, I could possibly later on like send you guys products as compensation for that, for the time you actually spend on that, and we can just talk about what you guys are willing to do. So if you want to help me out through the website, just writing articles, it doesn't have to be like crazy articles. So that's kind of my plan at the moment, trying to do the website thing first, and then maybe later on, once the channel grows a bit more, YouTube kind of recommends my channel some bit more, then I could possibly hire a dedicated editor, because that's the biggest time consuming thing, doing all of the edits. It takes a really long time to go through everything. So that's probably first, and later on, if I get a bigger place, I can actually hire somebody full time again later when YouTube actually decides to help me out a bit. So that is kind of my answer to am I hiring? Not really, but kind of, if you're willing to help out. I know it's a bit hard, but if you guys are willing to, then that'll be awesome. I can again I can compensate you guys for your time, possibly in a way, so we can just talk about that if you are willing to help. But also I want to hear from you guys, because I'm kind of wondering about a few things, and sometimes it's just a bit hard to get like answers out. So firstly, I want to know, do you guys want me to do more like game streaming or more tech reviews? Because I really do like streaming with you guys, even though there's not a lot of viewers usually, but I do like streaming and playing with some of you guys, and that'll actually be fun, but it depends on, again, I have to restrict my time to what I have to do. More streaming, I don't really make any money off that, or making videos, which I don't really make a lot of money on that either. But what do you guys prefer more? Live streaming like 2 or 3 times a week, or more videos? Let me know in the comments below for that. I'll try to do like a poll even. That's going to be easier. And then also, what I want to ask. And then also, I think you guys know about one of my second channels. I have so many second channels. My We Do Gaming channel, which was primary focus. It was going to be where I post like gaming videos and so on, like highlights of the game streams. It might still be that, but I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on me moving all of the like gaming peripherals, more of the hardware stuff to that channel, and then use We Do Tech as more consumer tech, like phones possibly, or consumer grade headsets, stuff like that. You guys know, like MKBHD, or just some of the other channels that do more consumer related tech, not really gaming or computer tech. Because the thing is, I want to do those type of products as well. I'm just not sure if it's going to clutter up We Do Tech too much then, because then I do all of the gaming stuff and then also the consumer stuff, because the consumer stuff will draw a lot of people who won't necessarily watch the gaming or the peripheral videos. So I'm just curious if I'm gonna clutter up the channel too much. So I want to hear from you guys. Would you mind me splitting up the channels, or do you want me to do a single channel for all like tech stuff? Please let me know down in the comments. I'll probably try to do a poll for that one as well, and then either keep We Do Gaming just for gaming videos. Let me know please down in the comments, because I kind of need your guys' help for that one as well. I can't really think of anything else I need to say at the moment, so that is kind of it. If you guys have any other questions you want me to answer for hopefully next week's Q&A video, let me know down in the comments below, but I'll also post it on my social medias, so check me out there and join our Discord group. Discord group is always fun, just bunch of memes and stupid stuff there, so check that out as well. But yeah, that's kind of it. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate all of you guys' support, because it's usually the guys who really support the channel, who watch all of my videos, that watch these type of videos as well. So I really do appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, dudes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll check all of you next time. Cheers, guys.